Okay, Beth, please show us some tricks.
Okay, Brownie, let's do one. Come on. Wait. I'm going. Come on. Let's do one. Yeah. Okay, now I get you a carrot. Now it's time to do this one. Da, 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 da.
What's this one?
That's the twirler.
Did you do it again? I didn't get it all.
Okay. Da, 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 da. She doesn't really like that one, but it was hard for her. Otherwise, I'm giving her an extra piece. Come on. It's a big one. Okay, you are.
Okay, it's getting ready to go off. Did you want to show another trick?
I think she wants to be like, ya da da la, I'm eating. And there's the video.
Goodbye.
Bye.